Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a must-have makeup product for oily skin. If you have oily skin, you know the struggle during the summer. During the hot summer days, our makeup want to stay, but the weather doesn't want our makeup to stay longer. So today I'm going to show you the products that will help your makeup to stay during those hot summer days. First thing is to make sure that you have a skincare routine that caters for your skin type. I have oily skin, so I wash my face with a black African soap. Then after that, I'm going to apply my daily moisturizer. This one is from Bondi Sands. It has SPF on it to protect my skin from those harsh summer days. Then after that, I will go to my brow. I have already done my brow. I have a brow tutorial on my channel. I use Davis Brow Pencil. It says waterproof. One thing I love about product that says waterproof, it's going to last longer. So I use this, and then I use my all-time best brow gel from Got2b to set my brow. Ladies, when you use this to set your brow is not moving anywhere until it is time to take off your makeup. So I love this. Then after that, you have to go for what? A primer. Ladies, if you have oily skin, primer has to be your best friend during those hot summer days. So I have 3 primers here. I have one from Kiss New York. I have one from Catrice, the Keep Me Matte, and then I have one from MAC, the Matte Fine 12-Hour Shine Control Primer. So after our primer, what I will do now is to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium dip to first of all set my face. To set my face before applying my foundation, because it's also going to help my foundation to last longer. So after setting your primer with a setting powder, this one is from Laura Mercier, like I said, then you can choose foundation. I have 3 foundation. I have one from MAC, the Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. I have one from NYS, Can't Stop, Won't Stop Foundation. Then I have one from NARS, the Soft Matte Foundation. So after blending your foundation, you are going to use a concealer. One from MAC, the 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. And I have one from NY, Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer. And it says 24-Hour Matte Finish. So I interchange between using this or this, but I'm using this today. Just apply it under my eyes, bridge of my nose, a little bit on the forehead. Less is more during the summer. Then we are going to blend. So I'm going to leave my under eye for some seconds to get tacky. So I am using my Studio Tech to contour my face. So I will blend my under eyes now. So while blending, I will blend my eyes too, so even out the darkness there. And I'll go and blend my contour more. Then after blending, I'm going to set with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So this is the powder. So after setting, I'm going to use my MAC blush. It is Femme Noir, to set my contour, but very lightly. Bloat powder from MAC to set the whole of my face. The bloat powder, you really see something on it. Can you see? Because it will help to control shine during the day. Instead of me to use my normal powder, the Studio Fix powder, I am using this. Then after that, you are going to apply mascara. I love using my lash primer. So after applying my lash primer and my mascara, I'm going to use blush. Blush in the summer is a must because it adds so much color to your face, to your cheeks. So I'm using Raisin from MAC. It is also matte. Secret to a long-lasting makeup during the summer is to use more of a mattifying product. So ladies, after applying that, then you have to set your face. Setting spray is a must during the summertime. So I have one from MAC, the Fix Plus Matte. They have the normal Fix Plus, but this one is Fix Plus Matte. And then this one is from Makeup Revolution, the Super Hold Setting Spray. Ladies, I have been using this more than this because this one is pricey. But one thing I love about this, it sets your makeup until it is time for you to clean up your face. Nothing is moving from your face. So I'm going to use this one today. So, centimeter. So after this, we have to go to our lips. So during the summer days, I cannot wear any lipstick without a lip liner. Lip liner is going to lock in my lipstick. So I am using lip liner Night Moth from MAC. You can wear gloss if you're a glossy type of a person. I always go for a matte lipstick or a retro matte lipstick. Maybelline has beautiful ones. L'Oreal Paris has one, but I am loving this one from MAC. It is the Dance With Me. So I'm going to take my concealer and then clean the edges. So after that, I'm going to set again because I want to lock in the lipstick the more. And so that is it. Ladies, like what I have now, I can do whatever that I'm doing today. Run my errands, go to my party, dance, eat, do everything and come back, and then my makeup will still be the same way it is from the beginning. Ladies, this is the final look. I do not apply any eyeshadow. I do not apply any liner. No falsies. Like I said, during the summertime, less is more. Okay, so hope this tutorial is helpful. If you have oily skin, like I said, please, all these procedures are going to help your makeup to last longer. The weather is going to be hot and we don't want to be sweating. We don't want our makeup, our product that we have on our face to start melting. Maybe during half of the day, half of our brow might have gone because of sweating and all those. So try to make sure that you have Summer Must Have for oily skin for you to look gorgeous during the summertime. Hope you like this video like always. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. Subscribe please to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and then I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.